Hi guys, today we are making rava uttapam. For this recipe, in a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of rava, 1.5 tablespoon of curd and mix well. Add water to it gradually to make nice consistency batter. Batter should be of flowing consistency as the rava soaks the water and we have to keep it for 15 minutes to rest. Consistency of the batter should be similar to the idli dosa batter. Now cover the batter and keep it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Until then, chop all your veggies finely. Remember, the more finely you chop the veggies, the more taste it will bring to the uttapam. Here I have finely chopped onion, finely chopped capsicum, finely chopped tomatoes. You can add veggies of your choice like red and yellow bell peppers or corn, etc. Now I have used some finely chopped coriander and some finely chopped chilies. Now take 1 teaspoon of oil and add pinch of cooking soda to it. Mix well and put it in the batter. If you feel the batter is become thick, you can add a little water and put it to rest for 5 more minutes. Add salt to taste and mix well. I have used a little water as I felt that my batter had become thick. Now this is the consistency we are looking for. Cover it with a lid and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Until then, heat your pan. Put some oil in it. Now put small circles of your batter. With this measurement of rava, you can make nearly 9 to 10 uttapams. Pour your batter into small circles. Now add all your finely chopped vegetables, onion, capsicum, tomatoes, green chilies, some coriander, and season it with red chili flakes. Press these veggies a little so that it will fix into the batter. Now repeat the same for the remaining uttapams. Now cover it with the lid and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Until then, decorate your plate. This is totally optional. Now open the lid and check if your uttapams are done from the downside. If they come out neat and clear, that means they are done. Flip it and let it cook from the opposite side. Cover the lid and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. Your uttapams are done. If you want it more crispy, flip it and let it cook from the opposite side for more 1 to 2 minutes. The uttapams are ready to be served. Transfer it to the plate. These are a very healthy breakfast alternative. Enjoy these uttapams with your loved ones.